Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to improve mic quality on Discord. Okay, first things first, let us configure Discord settings. Open Discord and go to User Settings at the bottom left next to your username. In Voice and Video Settings, ensure that you have selected the correct microphone. You can also adjust the microphone volume here to get the best sound quality. You can use the microphone test option by clicking Let's Check to find the sweet spot. And you can also scroll down to the voice processing section, and in here you have settings like echo cancellation and even noise suppression, advanced voice activity, and automatic gain control. We recommend disabling all of them, then enabling them one by one to identify any issues. So, start with them off for a clean sound. After that, once you are satisfied, we can ensure you that your mic quality on Discord will improve. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now improve mic quality on Discord. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.